and welcome. Wish you all a happy Vinayaka Chaturthi. You're watching Headlines now with me, Hariharan. First, the top headlines. After Chidambaram claimed that Mamata Banerjee did not return Prime Minister's calls, Mamata ridicules the Congress, accusing him of not contacting her at all. Manmohan Singh will make a last-ditch effort to woo Trinamool Congress MPs when they arrive to submit the resignations on Friday. BJP demands Manmohan Singh's resignation after UPA is reduced to a minority after Mamata quit from the government. But Manmohan Singh's government remains adamant they will not roll back FDI in multi-brand retail. Will Samajwadi Party Chief Mulayam Singh Yadav provide external support to the UPA? His party will take a decision tomorrow. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar throws a googly, says he will support the government at the centre which will offer a special status to Bihar. At the crucial Kaveri meet, Karnataka says it will provide water to Tamil Nadu only after October. And MDMK Chief Vaiko faces the risk of arrest in Madhya Pradesh as he prepares to protest against Rajapakse's visit. The news in detail. Trinamool Congress Chief Mamata Banerjee stuck to her decision to pull out from the UPA government. The West Bengal Chief Minister reiterated that there has been no effort from the Congress to reach to her and that a section of media were spreading misinformation and trying to create confusion. Earlier on Monday, Finance Minister P. Chidambaram informed at a press conference that Prime Minister called Ms. Banerjee twice, but his calls were not returned. Let's listen to what Chidambaram had to say on Monday.
Congress to appease her at this point in time?
We have tried to speak to her. 4 days ago, the Prime Minister tried to speak to her. We have left a message to her that she can speak. We have not heard anything. Let the ministers are coming, we'll see. Let the ministers are coming.
ममता जी का एक संदेश कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष को मिला था कि वे बात करना चाहती हैं। उनसे फोन पर बात करने की कोशिश की गई, संपर्क नहीं हो सका, तो श्री मुकुल रॉय को ये मैसेज दिया गया है कि कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष उनसे बात करना चाहती हैं। प्रधानमंत्री कार्यालय से भी उनसे बात करने की कोशिश की गई थी, लेकिन वो बातचीत भी अभी तक नहीं हुई।
And Mamata Banerjee refuted these charges today. This is what she had to say.
This is absolutely disinformation, concocted confusion, and I will request the Congress leaders not to distort the facts. They must communicate the reality. And again I want to say, repeat, sorry, you may control some channels, but you cannot control us. What prompted my UPA friends to take over and to seize the matter and took a decision within a day or two, together, LPG, diesel, domestic gas, FDI retail, what not? Even I am told that pension bill is also, even aviation, every time I cannot compromise the issue which is related to the common people. Political party is no matter if they don't consider the people, and political party, I don't think I have any existence if I don't consider the people's views. I have no existence if I cheat the people.
I have no comment to offer because I don't know when did they try to convey, because Didi has a mobile phone, Didi is available at Writers Building and on such important matters, and if Chidambaram ji himself wanted to call or the PM wanted to call or Sonia ji wanted to call, I am sure Didi would have spoken or returned the call if she was not available or something. And what they have conveyed to Mukul, I don't know, because Mukulda has not told us anything that was conveyed to him from Chidambaram or anyone else.
The Prime Minister is likely to make a last attempt to persuade the Trinamool Congress to reconsider its decision of exiting the UPA when its ministers come to resignation. The TMC's 6 ministers are expected to resign on Friday. At the same time, sources say both the Congress and the government will not budge on the stand on reforms. The government also remains confident that it will manage the numbers and survive a trust vote if required in the parliament. The BJP meanwhile pressed for Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's resignation. The party claimed that now, as the government has lost its majority, Prime Minister should take the moral responsibility and resign from his post.
यूपीए सरकार बहुमत खो चुकी है। ममता ने सरकार का समर्थन वापस लिया है। इतना ही नहीं, ममता ने यह भी कहा है कि वो सरकार को कभी समर्थन नहीं देगी। मुझे लगता है कि मॉरली सरकार ने बहुमत खोया है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। मैं अपील करता हूं समाजवादी पार्टी से, मैं अपील करता हूं हमारे महाराष्ट्र की एनसीपी जो शरद पवार की पार्टी है, मैं अपील करता हूं, देश में महंगाई और भ्रष्टाचार से आम आदमी झूम रहा है। अगर आप आम आदमी के साथ रहना चाहते हो, अगर आप आम आदमी का हित चाहते हो, तो इस सरकार से समर्थन वापस लो और लोगों को एक नया अपना सरकार चुनने का अवसर दो। यह मैं उनसे अपेक्षा करता हूं कि वे भ्रष्ट और महंगाई लाने वाले सरकार का साथ देने के बजाय वो आम जनता का साथ दे।
लोगों का विश्वास, संसद का विश्वास खो चुकी सरकार जुगाड़ और जोड़ तोड़ से अपने सत्ता के सिंहासन को बचाने की कोशिश कर रही है। ये भारत बंद इस सरकार को इस बात को आगाह करने के लिए है कि आज देश में कितना गुस्सा इस सरकार के घोटालों को लेकर है, इस सरकार के भ्रष्टाचार को लेकर है, और साथ ही साथ जिस तरह से विदेशी बाजार माफियाओं के सामने इस सरकार ने घुटने टेक दिए हैं। और घुटने नहीं टेके हैं, विदेशी बाजार माफियाओं और विदेशी भस्मासुरों के लिए स्वागत द्वार बना दिया गया।
Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev backed key ally Trinamool Congress over the withdrawal of support from the government and added that other allies must understand the reality and pull out from the Congress-led UPA government.
Congress government, UPA government is going one-sided. They want to divert the attention of the people from corruption charges. They are not taking any action on corruption. On the contrary, they are taking so many very hard decisions to hit the public. It is very unfortunate.
अग्नि परीक्षा का काल चल रहा था राजनीतिक दलों के लिए। कोई भ्रष्ट पार्टी के साथ खड़े होंगे, देश के लोगों के साथ, आम लोगों के साथ, या देश के साथ खड़े होंगे। एक मिसाल कायम की है ममता जी ने। आदरणीय मुलायम सिंह जी को भी अब सिंह गर्जना करनी चाहिए और मुलायम जी को कठोर होना चाहिए। अब करुणा जी को भी अब करुणा नहीं दिखानी चाहिए इनके ऊपर।
Congress, though, remains defiant that there will be no rollback on FDI in multi-brand retail. They, however, added that a rollback on the diesel price hike and the cap on subsidized LPG cylinders cannot be completely ruled out.
We do not believe in the word rollback. The decision was taken last year on the 24th of November by the Union Cabinet, allowing 51% FDI in multi-brand retail with certain conditionalities, which I have explained elaborately. And the second was permitting 100% FDI in single brand retail. The second one was notified. The first one had to be paused. And the word which was used on the 7th of December by the then Finance Minister was that we have suspended the implementation of the decision until another round of consultations is held.
Meanwhile, CPIM Politburo member Brinda Kharad said the country is facing the brunt due to the wrong policies of the government. She added that the only option before the government was to roll back the reforms, else they would lose the right to rule the country.
सरकार की गलत नीति है जो हिंदुस्तान की जनता में जबरदस्त आक्रोश है इन कदमों के खिलाफ, और 20 तारीख को देश भर में बंद होगा, हड़ताल होगा, जुलूस, प्रदर्शन, जेल भरो होगा, क्योंकि जनता इन नीतियों का बोझ को संभालने जो सरकार बोझ डाल रही है उसके विरोध में कल सड़कों पर उतरेगी। इसलिए सरकार का केवल यही एक उपाय है कि सरकार को या तो वो अपनी नीतियों को वापस ले, वरना लोग यही सवाल कर रहे हैं कि सरकार को गद्दी पर बैठने का अधिकार ही क्या है।
With Mamata Banerjee withdrawing from the UPA, the survival of Dr. Manmohan Singh's government depends largely upon the two powerhouses from Uttar Pradesh, Mulayam Singh Yadav and Mayawati. Mr. Yadav has not clearly communicated a stand yet. His party will decide tomorrow on whether to provide outside support to the government. But he did make it clear that the political crisis should be a wake-up call to the Congress. With his 22 Lok Sabha MPs, the external support of the Samajwadi Party has become a lifeline after Mamata Banerjee's angry exit.
हम चाहते हैं कि सरकार को कम से कम बुद्धि आ जानी चाहिए। आपने जनता को दिया क्या है? जनता के खिलाफ इतना भार, किसान के ऊपर इतना भार और किसान के पैदावार की लूट कि पूरी की पूरी सरकार ने की है।
ममता के समर्थन देने न देने का सवाल है, उससे समाजवादी पार्टी का कोई वास्ता नहीं। समाजवादी पार्टी फैसला अपने आप करती है। क्या ममता ने किया, इस आधार पर समाजवादी पार्टी का कोई फैसला नहीं होगा।
More news and updates will follow after this break. Stay tuned.